what is the difference between profit margins and return on investment? So let's say that we buy this camera right there, this Sony camera for $500 and we sell it for $1,000 right here on Amazon, right? So our return on investment would be 83%. Why? We paid $500 for this and we are going to make $412 profit after Amazon fees, right? After all the fees, if we sell it FBA, right? So $412 is 83% of $500. That is our buy cost. This is what return on investment is. On the other hand, profit margins. Our profit margins will only be 41%, okay? Which, by the way, is huge. A 41% profit margins would actually be huge. It's like really, really hard to accomplish if you sell stuff on Amazon, except if you sell specific things like used books, right? Now, how do we calculate this? So our profit margins would be our profits as like what percentage of the total sale price is profit, right? So out of the $1,000 that we are going to make by selling this product, right, we are going to net $412, which is 41% of our sale price, all right? That's the difference in between profit margins and return on investment. If you need more help to actually scale your Amazon FBA business, link in the description if you want to join my mentorship program. I'll see you in the next one.